What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix app crashes on Android and iPhone. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just simply restart your phone. It sounds basics but fix a lot small problems. After you do that and still app crash, just follow my steps now. Okay, move here in settings, find here apps like me, find app that crash, click on app, scroll here down and you will see here storage. Click on it and you will see here cache memory, just clear cache memory and try open app now. If app still crash, you can clear here data, but remember this will log out you and reset app. Okay, we move to step 3. All you need to do to enable or disable developer settings. Just scroll here down like me and you will see about phone, open it, go software information, move here down, build number like me, spam this and you will see enter your password from your phone and you will see this message developer mode enabled. Just go back, this is how to turn developer on mode. Now I show you how to turn off. Move back here in settings. Scroll here down and you will see here developer options. Just open it and you can now here customize or enable some settings. In case you need to disable this option, just switch this button off and you disable developer option. I show you now step 4, just move to Google Play or App Store, open it, search your app here and you will see maybe app need update. Just update your app. Also for iPhone is same way. Force quit app, swipe up, restart iPhone, update app on App Store or maybe update iOS, offload, reinstall the app, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, choose app and offload. And that's it all guys for this video. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next video. Bye guys.